Hey guys, welcome back to Mix Mix Bake. I'm Ella and today we are going to be making Nutella Amsterdam cookies. It's so easy to make. You only need 4 ingredients, and if you love Nutella or if you're a Nutella fan, you would love these cookies. The 4 ingredients we are going to use today is flour, baking powder, vegan Nutella, and make sure it says dairy-free. And just eggs. For this recipe, you need to wash your hands and with soap and water really good because we're going to use our hands a lot. For the first step, we will need to make 8 Nutella bowls because this recipe will make 8 Nutella cookies. All you need to do is take a spoon, a teaspoon, and make it full with Nutella, and then you just need to do like this. Let's do the rest of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more to go. 1. Not much in here left. 1, 2. I'm trying to. 1, 2. Got it. Now I got all of the Nutella bowls. So guys, now we have all our Nutella bowls. The good thing about this recipe is it doesn't have to be perfect. Now we need to put them in the freezer overnight. But don't worry, you don't have to wait for tomorrow because I already froze some. So for the next step, we're going to make the cookie dough. We're going to need Nutella, vegan eggs, flour, and baking powder. For this step, we do need to measure, so ask your parents for help measuring. In the first bowl, we're going to mix together 200 grams of Nutella and 1/3 cup of eggs, vegan eggs. Now let's mix it. Guys, make sure you're mixing really good and make sure you also get the bottom. Okay, now it's all done. Okay, looks good. Now, let's move it aside, and next, we're going to mix the flour and the baking powder. So, guys, remember to ask your parents to help you measure 125 grams of flour and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're going to put these together, and now let's whisk it. Okay, we're all done. And now we're going to mix our flour and baking powder with our Nutella and eggs. Let's do it. Now we're going to mix it together. Don't forget to get the bottoms and make sure that you mix it till it's combined. Make sure not to overmix it because you don't want your cookie to be too hard. Okay? So now we're going to do like this. We're going to take it all out, all the dough out. Yep, this is the dough. All of the dough. Oh my gosh. Now, guys, you're going to make it into a nice little bowl and wrap it in the plastic. There we go. Good. That's really good. Now to wrap it in the plastic. Okay. Like that. And there we go. Okay. And it's perfect. I'm gonna go put it in the fridge. Bye, see you in 30 minutes. Just joking, guys. I'm not gonna make you wait 30 minutes. I already made one. Okay, guys, it's nice and cool. Now we're gonna put it on a baking sheet. It's kind of hard, but I got it. There we go. And now I'm gonna throw it away. Now we're going to cut them. So you're gonna make it into 8 kind of equal pieces, okay? 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so we got 8 pieces. Wait, it feels like it's not cut. There. Now it's completely cut. Now we're gonna make it into a bunch of balls. Okay. There we go. I'm done making it into a bowl. Oh, guys, don't forget to ask your parents to put the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Wait. Okay, this is a big bowl. This is going to be a big bowl, okay? There. And I have 2 more to go. Okay. And 2 more. Actually, 1 more. There. And last one. Now no more. We're all done. Okay, perfect. It's time for our Nutella bowls. Let me go get them. Okay, we're perfect. We got it. Okay, now we're going to use the cookie dough is the cookie, and this is the filling. So what we're going to do is we're going to flat out the cookie. like that. And then we're gonna put it in and then wrap the cookie dough around it. Like that. Okay, now let's put them away and let's do the rest. We're going to keep this one. Oh, I forgot to flap it. Now I'm going to put this in and wrap it. Wrap, 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 wrap. Okay, I wrapped it up. Now we've got 2 more to go. Wow, this is awesome. Okay, now we're going to do the last one, flat it out and put it all inside. There. I'm going to take a little taste. Now ask your mom or dad to put it in the oven for you for 10 minutes. Bye. Guys, do you want to eat it when it's not too hot, not too cold? And I like to have it with a nice cup of soy milk. Let's put it on my plate. And I'm going to put one for Avi. Now let's call Avi. Avi! I made a special food for you. Oh, okay. Here I am. Oh, wait, what are these? It's Amsterdam cookies. Okay, actually I never tried these, not gonna lie. And then, you have to break it when you eat them. Oh, okay. Guys, look at how melty it is. Now I see why. I was gonna be like, I'm gonna go full. So melty.